So this is the code for the lab 4, which is making the robot go forward and backwards. So this is the library. These are the macros. So as you can see, there's a baud rate 9600, motor speed left, right, and then there is a 2-second delay, and like the time it takes to go 500 milliseconds and the backwards 500 milliseconds. So over here are the motor class the romi robot class variables. So as you can see, motors, encoders, button A. So initial setup, and we begin with the serial begin. So this is just for like debugging, not for the actual code. So here is the main loop. So we wait for like the button A to be pressed, delay for 2 seconds, then move forward with the delay move 36 inches, and then we delay again for 2 seconds, and then we move backwards, and we wait for the button A to be pressed again, and repeating so on. So this is a function move forward, so it takes the delay time. This is just the value of the encoder. It's just debugging, it's not there to do anything else. This resets the encoder. So set motor speed, so this sets the motor speed left forward and the right forward, which makes the robot go straight, and it like delays certain time. So as you can see here, the robot is like delaying for like around 500 milliseconds, which means about like 5 seconds, and then it makes the robot stop by stopping motors by setting their speed to 0. We are getting the left count. This is just for debugging purposes. And we are also printing it for debugging purposes so that we can see whether the motor reaches that amount with that amount of delay. Moving backwards is the same function, but it's just that the motor moves backwards. So as you can see, it's the same thing. The encoder values are just for the debugging purposes. So this is the main function. So we set the motor speed left backwards, right backwards. It's a bit different from the going forward because, like, as you know, the motor speed is different, and we can like delay the motor with certain time, so it delays for like 5 seconds, and then we stop the motor by setting the speed to 0, and this is just for the debugging purposes.